Israeli forces storm Jerusalem Al-Aqsa. Official. US suspends F-35 deliveries to Turkey over S-400. US has done nothing to address Khashoggi murder. Reports. Algerian ex-president declines to lead transition phase. Death toll from Iraq ferry boat accident hits 105. 70 villages in southern western Iran evacuated amid flooding fears. Libya's Haftar anticipates unity government within month. Islamophobia on rise in Austria. Australian senator blasts colleague over Islamophobia. US peace envoy vows to take Afghan government on board. Taliban kills 17 Afghan forces as US envoy visits Kabul. 3 Pakistani troops killed in fresh border clash.